Today we're gonna take a sunset walk on the most beautiful beach in the world, Anse Intendance, and we're gonna check in the most luxurious hotel on the Mahé island in Seychelles, Le Meridien Fisherman's Cove. Now this is Anse Intendance. You remember the storm about a few days ago? This is pretty fresh. I've been here a few days ago and now it's like this. Getting here is gonna be easier if you are not going to miss the 180-degree left turn on the main street, where are no signs, and you're gonna keep left here. You're gonna drive all the way down under these trees until you see the deserted old building of a restaurant. It used to be a restaurant. You can leave your car here, it's just 1 minute walk to the beach. As you can see, all the rental cars on the island are probably parked here. So enjoy the walk. The other side now. Now this is Anse Intendance, the Intendance beach, and it's wonderful. I mean, you can figure it out that they use it for some dinosaur movies because it's epic. Incredible. So I flew my drone Spacey twice. get back to the hotel. It's on the other side of the island, so I need 1 hour to get there. That's why I gotta hit the road. Okay, here we go. I am back to the Isle of Mahé and I'm staying at Le Meridien Fisherman Cove. It's a pretty nice hotel. Also, yes. Fisherman's Cove. Hi, how are you? Hi. They need a postcards. No, I'm lucky. This here is the Fisherman Cove, not Fisherman Brand. Here we go. I've just checked in the hotel and we're gonna have some breakfast now and then we're gonna explore here the surrounding. They have an infinity pool at this hotel here, so I have to check this out. Let's see if I can start Spacey, my Mavic Mini, without somebody get a little bit silent.
In one of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet. Said I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up? You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling way down. All delusional. Cause I got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming. Got me flying.
I got a room 101. I don't know if it's a good sign or a bad sign. Now the weather is not so great, but it's Seychelles. I mean, it's raining, the sun is coming again, and it's never cold. So even if it's rain, it's still hot. All right, the first one here. I know that outside is sunny and nice, but I'm done with the pool. So now I'm gonna try the bathtub. Phew. You are most than welcome to join me on the next trip, and I hope you subscribe and maybe leave a like. See ya.